Deer are graceful herbivores found in a variety of habitats worldwide, from dense forests and grasslands to mountains and wetlands. While their appearance varies by species, one thing all deer have in common is their plant-based diet. Knowing what deer eat is important for understanding their role in ecosystems, managing their populations, and even protecting gardens and crops from their foraging habits. Deer are herbivores, meaning they feed exclusively on plants. However, their diet is far from monotonous. They are selective feeders, choosing plants with high nutritional value while avoiding those that are tough, toxic, or difficult to digest. Deer are also browsers, which means they prefer to feed on leaves, shoots, and twigs from shrubs and trees rather than only grazing on grass like some herbivores. Their diet changes with the seasons, availability of food, and the specific species of deer. For example, white-tailed deer in North America may eat a slightly different range of plants than red deer in Europe or sika deer in Asia. What deer eat in the wild? During spring and summer, deer consume tender leaves and shoots from a variety of trees and shrubs. This is when plants are lush and nutrient-rich, giving deer the vitamins and minerals they need for growth, reproduction, and maintaining energy. Commonly browsed trees and shrubs include willow, maple, aspen, oak, dogwood. They also consume young twigs, especially in the fall and winter when leaves are less available. Although deer are not primarily grazers like cows, they do eat grasses, especially fresh, young grass in spring and early summer. They are more inclined toward forbs, which are broad-leafed herbaceous plants like clover, dandelion, and alfalfa. These plants are often richer in protein than grasses, making them highly valuable food sources. Deer have a sweet tooth and will eagerly eat fruits and berries when available. In summer and fall, these foods become an important source of sugars and carbohydrates, helping deer build fat reserves for winter. Examples include apples, plums, pears, wild grapes, blackberries, blueberries. In autumn, acorns from oak trees and other nuts become a key part of a deer's diet. These are high in fat and energy, which is crucial for surviving cold winters when fresh greens are scarce. Acorns, hickory nuts, and beech nuts are particularly popular. In areas near farmland, deer often feed on crops such as corn, soybeans, wheat, oats. While this can provide a significant food source, it can also lead to conflicts with farmers. Deer adjust their diet according to the seasons. Spring, tender green shoots, young leaves, forbs, and grasses dominate their meals. This is a time of replenishment after the lean winter months. Summer, deer eat a mix of leaves, forbs, and soft fruits. Food is abundant, allowing them to prepare for the energy demands of autumn. Autumn, high-energy foods like acorns, nuts, and fruits are consumed in large quantities to build fat reserves for winter. Winter, food is scarce, so deer rely more on woody browse like twigs and bark. They also eat evergreen plants when other vegetation is covered in snow. While deer are adaptable, they avoid plants that are tough, fibrous, or toxic. For example, many conifer needles are unappealing to them unless no other food is available. Some wildflowers and ornamental plants, such as daffodils and foxgloves, are also avoided because they are poisonous. Deer play an important role in their ecosystems through their feeding habits. By browsing on certain plants, they help shape plant communities, which affects other animals that depend on those plants. However, overpopulation of deer can lead to overbrowsing, reducing plant diversity and altering habitats. Deer are versatile and selective herbivores that consume a wide variety of plant materials, including leaves, twigs, grasses, forbs, fruits, nuts, and crops. Their diet changes with the seasons, ensuring they get the nutrients they need year-round. This adaptability has allowed deer to thrive in diverse habitats across the globe. Whether for wildlife management, farming, or simply enjoying their presence in nature, understanding what deer eat helps us appreciate their role in maintaining ecological balance, and the occasional challenge they present when they wander into our gardens or fields.